This is the video for what your life can actually look like after you get your first deal in real estate. And specifically real estate wholesaling, real estate land wholesaling is what I do for the most part. I'm at this coffee shop right now. It's 11:25 in the morning, and pretty much I have my whole system set up. So once I got my first deal, I was able to just hire somebody to make the cold calls instead of me making the cold calls. And then I was able to hire a marketing team for my direct mail when I was doing direct mail. And basically all I would do is I would just kind of sit down every day in front of my laptop and wait for leads. And the leads, all I would do, maybe if I get 4 or 5 leads that day, I would call them, have a conversation with them, make them an offer. And if the offer works, I basically just send them the contract for them to sign. Sometimes they have some questions about it, but for the most part, they just sign the contract and send it over. And I wanted to emphasize how simple the business can be once you actually understand just like the fundamentals of exactly how you can run your business in a way where you don't have to be present, you don't have to do all of this work that they tell you to do, you don't have to overthink too much. But at the end of the day, it does cost money to actually run the business. So if you are hiring a team and like a team of cold callers like I have, and you just want to start, in a low budget type of situation, I mean, you're probably looking at about $1,000 a month, okay? If you guys want some information about like this team that I can help, I can actually plug you guys in. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I can actually just help you guys, if you want to set that up, if you don't want to make the calls, because I hate making cold calls, okay? I hate making cold calls, even when it comes to land deals, because land deal is like the most laid back type of sellers. They don't really get a lot of phone calls really like that. So, you're not getting really that much, pushback, but I just hate being in front of my computer and having to wait for somebody to just like answer and, getting hung up on all of that stuff. Maybe I've gotten too comfortable hiring people to do things like this for me. But essentially, if you do the cold calls yourself, it's kind of like the same thing, but you have to commit to actually doing 4 hours a day cold calling, because that's like the only way you can really get a lot of leads, unless you're okay with doing like getting 1 lead a day or something like that, then you can probably get away with, 2 hours. But honestly, if you are getting started, you don't have $1,000 a month to actually hire a company or hire somebody to do it. And technically, you don't have to hire a company. You can hire a VA to do it at probably the fraction of the cost, okay? So you can probably hire somebody to do the cold calls at like $500 a month, $600 a month. So you're probably saving yourself probably like $400 just hiring and managing them for you. So I would definitely, go ahead and start calling yourself if you don't have the money. But if you do have like $500, just hire somebody to call for you. Like, it's literally like somebody will do that. You just get one person to do it for 2-3 months. You got like, your leads right there, probably 40 leads a month, hopefully, if they're doing a good job. And then just make offers. That's literally it. The other alternative is SMS. SMS is basically the same thing. You can hire somebody to really send these messages for you. And I think that like those two really are the best way to really get your feet wet into the space. But once you get your first deal, like 6,000, 5K, 10K, like you can just go ahead and just hire somebody to do the calls for you. Every single month, you're probably looking at a budget of, $5 to $1,000, literally. And then, from there, you can go ahead and continue that running for 6 months. And if you aren't closing the deal from there, I mean, dude, you're obviously doing something wrong if you've been spending money on marketing and you're not closing the deal. It literally is probably your sales process. That's literally it. And the way you're making offers, that's probably the 2 problems that you're having if you're spending money on marketing and you're not closing deals. It's not the leads, guys, because you can make leads work, especially if you're marketing for 40 days, 50 days, 60 days. You're bound to get a lead. One deal from those leads, that should make you $10,000 to $15,000. So if you're having an issue with your lead to contract number, that's probably a sales process issue. I've had the same issues, But anyways, like you can be able to just have that set up wherever you are in the world. And just me coming to this coffee shop, being able to do this is proof that I can be doing this in any other location. Like, I'm not location bound. You know what I mean? So that's the beautiful part about wholesaling, guys. You're not product intensive, like it's not capital intensive. You can be able to make money wherever you are. You can be able to spend $1,000 with the potential of making $15,000. And you don't have to have a product. Like, you don't have to create a product. That's the best thing about it. All right, like if you're looking at other opportunities like Amazon FBA or drop shipping or whatever, you kind of have to have a product and you have to pick the good product, right? But real estate, you don't. You just control the paper. You just control the paper, guys. Virtual, and on top of that, you can do a much better job and you can succeed at a higher rate in real estate than you would in stocks. In stocks, it's kind of like gambling in a way. In real estate, you don't really gamble. You're making sound decisions. Now, my AI tool, he does the comps for me based on criteria I give him. Like, I built it up. Now that we have AI, the comp problem is not even an issue anymore. So it just becomes a numbers game at that point. And it's not a guessing game as like, oh, is this gonna go up? You can literally tell by the numbers, and you can literally offer a seller, you know, the market value of the property is 50K. You can offer them 25K and they can accept that. That is the craziest thing that real estate can really provide instead of stocks, because when it comes to stocks, now you're taking a gamble like, oh man, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? So there's a lot of opportunity here, guys. A lot of freedom that you can actually get from this. I wake up at 8, I chill. Bro, dude, if you're not doing this business and you're trying to find a business to do, you're looking in the wrong places. You can make money doing anything, okay? But you have to choose the right vehicle, because that determines how fast and how far you can get. If you guys are looking for like, a one-on-one section, like a coaching that can actually walk you through these steps and teach you how to actually build a lifestyle business that you can be able to do, and you can be able to operate from wherever you are. From wherever you are in the world, you can be able to do this business. I was in Mexico the other day, I was doing this. I was in Toronto the other day, I was doing this. Like, I was making money on the go. So go ahead and check out the rest of my videos, guys. I teach you guys a lot of ways on how you can make it happen. Subscribe to my channel, and then like this video if you guys actually enjoy the content. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.